Welcome back, my dear students. So now in this particular video, we're going to be working up with the theme settings for the page builders. Now, the main thing that we need to do is to give the full access to the page builder right from here till here. But if you take a look at this, if you go to the edit with Elementor and now you open this up in a new tab, when you will be using Elementor page builder and when you will hit update, you will see this edit with Elementor button over there that you can click on it and it will directly take you to the Elementor page rather than going into the edit page and then going into the edit with Elementor button over here, clicking that button and then going up there. So you can go ahead and you can quickly do that. But if you take a look at some things, now this Elementor is actually being given access to the page right from here, from this side. We are not being given this side, and we are not being given access to this side right here. Like we cannot change this like home button and this blue line that is coming right here. When we bring our mouse to this, like you can see, this is actually a section and this is actually a column, and then this is actually a widget. So we will be talking in detail about these stuff. But let's suppose that when you just like go ahead and you just go and bring anything right here. So let me just go ahead and let me delete everything from here. I'm going to click cross, and cross. Now let's suppose that I just want to get this heading. I'm going to drag this heading and I'm going to drop it right here. Now you can see that this heading is added, but when I bring my mouse to this, now you can see that this blue line is coming right here. That means that we are not being given access to this side here and the above side right here. So how can you give access to that? Now for that, what you need to do is to go into your page right here. And on your page, you should see your theme settings. So right here, you can see that we have got this sidebar to be like customized settings, and we have already selected in the customizer settings that we do not need the sidebar. So sidebar will not be applied to any of the page. But for the content layout, you can see it's set to full width contained. Now, if we just set this to full width and stretched, and now if we go ahead and we hit update over here, and now if we come to this particular web page and we reload this page, you can see that instead of just getting the small line over there, now we have been given the full blue line that's coming here. So let me just get rid of every element from here. And now if I just drag the heading and I just drop it here, now you can see this heading is now being given the full thing over here. But we are getting this home link and we need it to be like in a full width format. So how do we do that? For that, what you need to do is to come up here, and here it says disable the title. What you need to do is to click on it. First, let's go ahead and let's hit update to this particular page. And now just select disable the title and then hit update over here. And now if you will come up here and you will refresh this particular page, you can now see that we are now being given the full access to this particular page right here. And we can go ahead and we can design this page using the Elementor page builder, and we can particularly do anything. Now if you just click cross, you can see that this is the full page. If I just drag the heading over here and I just drop it, this heading is added. And when basically I just click on this arrow button over here, now you can see this page is only taking the area that is for the heading element. Similarly, if I just go ahead and I just remove this heading and I just go ahead and I just hit update, and now if we actually go ahead and we take a look at the website right here, now you will see that this particular title is gone, and whatever we will be adding there in the page builder, that will be like fully customizable, and whatever we will be like making the change in the editor, that will be fully customizable and it will be shown right in there, because there is no area that is now being controlled by the theme, that is now being controlled by the WordPress default editor. And what we have done so far is that we went to edit the page, and we just selected to be like disable the title, and we selected our content layout to be in a full width and stretched. Now these are the theme settings. So if you basically install any other theme, then make sure to go ahead and read their documentation, like how you can disable the title and how you can give them the full width and stretched layout. This is the thing that you need to do in there. And so now once you're done with that, you will see that to be right here. So now we are fully done, and we have given our page builder the access to like every side from here till here, from here till here, and we can go ahead and we can design our web page accordingly. Now in the next video, we will be working up with the basics of Elementor, because we first have to understand like how Elementor works. And there are three main things that you need to understand about the Elementor. That is the section, column, and the widget. And once you're done with that, then you will be able to build amazing websites with the Elementor page builder. So in the next video, we will be talking about that. Bye-bye.